If you're looking to build funnels for marketing automation in SuiteDash, you've come to the right place. Today, we'll walk through how to set up effective funnels using SuiteDash, whether you're a beginner or experienced user. Stick around, because by the end, I'll show you how SuiteDash stacks up and why you might want to consider other options too. To get started, SuiteDash's Funnel Builder is a great way to automate your customer journey, but you'll need to know the right steps to make it work for you. The first thing you want to do is set up your basic funnel structure. In SuiteDash, that means choosing the right pages for your funnel. This could be a landing page, opt-in forms, thank you pages, and more. You'll build these pages right inside the software without needing to use external tools. It keeps everything under one roof, which is a big plus. Next, you'll want to set up your automation. This is where SuiteDash shines, allowing you to create workflows that automatically trigger actions based on your lead's behavior. For example, when someone fills out your form, SuiteDash can automatically send them a welcome email, add them to your CRM, or even schedule a call. It's a smooth process for businesses looking to streamline their operations. The third thing you need to know is about the integrations. SuiteDash offers a lot of integration options with other platforms like Zapier, email marketing tools, and payment gateways. These can help you connect your funnels to tools you already use, but it's worth mentioning, setting up these integrations can be a little tricky and may take time to get right. So while SuiteDash offers a lot of possibilities, there's definitely a learning curve here. Next, let's talk about analytics. With SuiteDash, you have access to basic funnel performance data like conversion rates and lead statistics. But it's not the most advanced analytics platform out there. If you're looking for deep insights into your funnel performance, you might find SuiteDash lacking in comparison to competitors. It does the job, but if you need something more robust, other software might be better for tracking your funnel metrics. Moving on, SuiteDash does provide some customization options, allowing you to tweak the design of your funnel pages. However, it's not as flexible as some dedicated landing page builders like ClickFunnels or Leadpages. You might find it a bit limiting if you need full creative control over your funnel designs. Now, let's get to why you might want to look elsewhere for funnel building and marketing automation. SuiteDash, while effective, isn't always the most intuitive, and for those who need a user-friendly experience, it can be a bit overwhelming. Plus, the funnel building features can feel clunky compared to more specialized tools. That's why I recommend checking out Competitor Name, a tool designed specifically for funnel building and marketing automation. Not only is it easier to use, but it offers much more advanced analytics and better integrations with marketing platforms. Plus, they offer a free trial too, which means you can test it out before committing. Before we wrap up, if you're still thinking about SuiteDash, don't worry, there's an exclusive, extended free trial available through the link in the description. But I also encourage you to explore these alternatives I've mentioned. They offer a free trial, and I truly believe they're better suited to the goal of building optimized marketing funnels. So make sure to check out both options and let us know what works best for you in the comments below.